There are a variety of styles and grades of hot air heat guns designed to fit most applications. Crimp-style heat shrink connectors are the most popular and economical sealed connectors, providing a reliable mechanical connection that is sealed to prevent corrosion and pull-out. Sealed crimp connectors are made of high-quality crimp terminals, insulated with an adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing. To install sealed crimp connector butt connectors, strip the wire insulation 5/16 of an inch. Select the proper sized connector. Insert the wire into the connector. Use the correct crimp die and crimp the connector. Repeat this process for the other side of the connector. Heat the connector evenly, including the crimp area, until the tubing is fully recovered. Remove the connector from the heat and let it cool. To install sealed crimp connector terminals, strip the wire insulation 5/16 of an inch. Select the proper sized terminal. Insert the wire into the terminal. Use the correct crimp die and crimp the terminal. Heat the terminal evenly, including the crimp area, until the tubing is fully recovered. Remove the terminal from the heat, make sure the end is sealed, and let it cool.